Hello, Mr. Ng. This is a practical work of the test and measurement course, and today we are going to talk about the differences of skill-related fitness between male basketball and volleyball players. And here are the things that we are going to talk about today, including the introduction, background of subjects, method, process of the tests, result, and the conclusion. Let's start with the introduction. The study we conducted is to find out the differences of skill-related fitness between male basketball and volleyball players. And it aims to compare their power, speed, agility, and reaction time, which players will perform better in these skill-related tests. And we are all interested in investigating the differences between them. And here are the tests we conducted in this study, including the hexagon agility test, which is testing the agility, the 20-meter dash test, which is testing the speed, the vertical jump test, which is testing the power, and the hand reaction time test, which is testing the reaction time. And here are the subjects who help us to finish the study. For the basketball players, they are Matthew, Lucas, Edmund, Hayward, and Edward. And for the volleyball players, they are Kelvin, Jojo, Chunky.
Now, let's move on to the method. For the testing protocols, we provided the warm-up sessions to the subjects. It allows the subjects to perform better in the trial and reduce the dangers of playing injuries. After the warm-up sections, the tests are conducted respectively. We carried out the vertical jump test in two versions, including the without one up one and the one with one up. We carried out with using the vertical jump stick. And we also did the hexagon agility test in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions, which is using the tape measure, marking tape, and stopwatch. For the 20 meters dash test, the tools we used are the same as the hexagon agility test, while for the hand reaction time test, we used the ruler, chair, and table. For the objectivities, the unit score objectivities is used. Our test results like heights and seconds are with higher objectivities. And for the reliability, test retest reliability is used. The second trial is administered again in the same condition after an appropriate period of time. For the validity, content validity is used. We are using our professional judgment to compare the test results, hoping to find out that the difference of skill-related fitness between male basketball and volleyball players by conducting the different test results.
Here is the process of the test.
So let's move on to the results part. Here are the results of both two groups. And this is the basketball player results. This is the result of volleyball players. Here's the comparison between their teams. In this part, we compare some of the subjects with their same groups. Firstly, Lucas is his point guard. He is having an excellent performance in agility. It is shown that he has a high ability to shake off the opponent. Therefore, he has the benefits on being a point guard. Secondly, Edmund is a shooting guard, and he is having the lowest agility no matter in his group or all subjects, as his position does not require a high agility level. However, he is having the strongest power in his group. Thirdly, Edward is a shooting guard, and he is required to have a long range of shooting. Therefore, he has no need to focus on his speed. So we will discuss the volleyball players now. Firstly, Kelvin is an outside hitter. He is the best jumper among all subjects, as he required to jump higher in striking and blocking. Secondly, Chunky is a libero. He has the best result on agility and reaction time, as he is required to react fast so as to save and receive the balls. Thirdly, Sarah is a setter. He is an all-around athlete. He has a high ability on power and agility to perform blocking and jump setting. And this is the t-test part. Only the vertical jump tests have significant difference, while other tests don't.
The following is the correlation between the hexagon agility test and vertical jump test, and the correlation coefficient in the result is less than 0.2, which means there is no relationship between the vertical jump and hexagon agility test, which means having better agility will not result in jumping higher. The correlation coefficients between 20-meter dash and the vertical jump is 0.36, a low and negative relationship, which means people run faster result in jumping higher. The correlation coefficients between the hand reaction time and the vertical jump test is 0.41. It means a negative normal relationship between the two tests, which means having faster reaction time result in jumping higher.
To sum up, all volleyball players have a better performance and higher ability on jumping power, agility, and reaction time than basketball players. Therefore, we can find that they are all around athletes, as every volleyball player must serve, receive, block, and strike. Besides, they have good fitness level which have been shown in the test result. For basketball players, they may have their own role like point guard and shooting guard, and hence, they may not as all-around as volleyball players. However, they all have their strength on different fitness tests. as more practice should be made for them to get as all-around as the volleyball players. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your listening.